Hi, I'm Sheila with inecta Food ERP. inecta Food ERP is a food-centric ERP system that's built on top of Microsoft Business Central. Although we do implement and train our clients as we go through this implementation process, what sets us apart from other companies like us is that we are also subject matter advisors. This means that we talk to you and your staff about making sure that you have processes in place to either save money, save costs, or save time. So all of these are very important when you're trying to run the business. One of the things that I'd like to talk to you about today is creating a checklist for your month-end and year-end processes. With this, it will ensure that you have all of the steps in place to make sure that all your accounting capabilities are completed. As accountants, we do know that it takes more time at month end and at year end to be able to close the books. So having this checklist will help you and your staff make sure that nothing gets missed and that your books are as accurate as possible. Some of the things that we would like to encourage you to have on this checklist is making sure that you adjust your posting dates so that the staff that are still doing transactions in your current period are not able to post transactions in the period that you're trying to close. This will encourage that just your accounting staff can continue to work in the prior period that you're closing while your rest of your staff is working on current activities. One of the other things that we would like to encourage is that you print your financial statements and that you ensure that your year-end total on your income statement balances to your current earnings on your balance sheet account. And if they don't, that's an opportunity for reconciliation. Another thing that we do advise is that you have something that you tie every GL account on the balance sheet to something. We recommend that you use the subledgers. For example, if you do your bank reconciliations in the ERP system, then you can tie the subledger for the bank account to the GL of the bank account and ensure that everything is in sync. Same will happen with your accounts receivable accounts, your inventory valuation reports, your accounts payable aging reports. So there are many accounts that you use the subledgers for, and to encourage you to make sure that you're tying out your GL to your subledgers on a monthly and annual basis. There may be other balance sheet accounts like prepaids and accruals that you might have spreadsheets that you tie out to. Those spreadsheets can be used to record when you purchase something from a prepaid account and how you're allocating those expenses, or when you're accruing something and then reconciling them periodically to make sure that you're still in sync, and then reconciling them in total at year end to make sure that everything is in balance and that you have everything recorded for your month end and your year end transactions. As you complete the checklist, you can also make sure that any after audit adjustments have been posted, and that if there are any journal entries that need to be completed, you're able to complete those journal entries and then close your books. And then finally, we encourage that you print out your final financial statements, your income statement and your balance sheet. Again, make sure that they tie to each other, and then close the period for the posting dates so that the accounting department now can also no longer post to those closed periods. I hope that you have found this helpful. Thank you.